Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to view market price in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Launch the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet on your device and log in using your credential. Look for a section labeled Market in the application main menu. This is usually accessible from the bottom of your screen. In the Market section, you may see a list of cryptocurrencies. Browse through the list or use the search function to find the specific cryptocurrency you want to check the price of. Click on the search tab and type in the name of the cryptocurrency here and select it to save its details. Tap on the cryptocurrency to view its current market price along with its other relevant information such as market cap, price range and trading volume. You can also see total supply in circulation and diluted and cap. Some wallets may offer price chart to visualize price trends over time. Look for the option to view historical data, price charts or other analytical tools. So that is how you can view your market price in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.